Let me share my quick review on the two salicylic acid based cleansers I have been using for a while now. The first one is the Dermaco 1% salicylic acid face wash, and the other is Dr. Sheth's Neem and Salicylic Acid Cleanser. Both of these cleansers are ideal if you have an oily skin, combination skin, but it's not at all good if you are having a dry sensitive skin. बात कर लूँ मैं 1% salicylic acid by the Dermaco. So this particular face wash is ideal for those with extremely oily skin, and अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा acne निकल आते हैं and you want to unclog your pores from deep inside, then you can go with this face wash. अगर आप used to है salicylic acid cleansers के, then you can go with this one. But if you're new to salicylic acid cleansers and you want to give a try, then you can go with the Dr. Sheth's Neem face wash, because इसका फॉर्मूला जो है इसके कंपैरिजन में बहुत ही ज़्यादा माइल्डर है, एंड इट क्लेम्स इट डीपली क्लेंसेस, एक्सफोलिएट्स एंड प्रिवेंट एक्ने, विच आई टोटली एग्री टू. इट डीपली क्लेंस्ड माई स्किन, इट ऑल्सो एक्सफोलिएटेड, बट प्रिवेंटिंग एक्ने में ये मुझे उतना ज़्यादा फ़र्क नहीं दिखा. बट अगर मैं बात करूँ इन दोनों के कंसिस्टेंसी की, तो आई लव दिस वन मच मोर, क्योंकि इसका फॉर्मूला जो है जेल का ही है, बट इसका जेल मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा thick and sticky लगा. Let me show you the consistency. Let me first show the consistency of the Dermaco face wash. As you can see, इसकी texture बहुत ही ज़्यादा thick and sticky है. As of my view, it's too much thicky when applied on the skin, so ये जल्दी lather भी नहीं होता. So I did not like the consistency of this particular face wash. Now let's talk about the Dr. Sheth's cleanser. If I talk about the consistency, it is much more runny when compared to the Dermaco one. I think you all can see it's not too sticky and not too runny, but it comes in the middle. तो अगर आप इसको lather करेंगे भी तो ये अच्छे से हो जाएगा. So if you come under a combination skin and अगर आप new हो salicylic acid cleansers को try करने में, तो then you can go with this one. But again, if you have a very oily acne prone skin, then you can go with the Dermaco one. तो अगर आपको मेरे रिव्यूज़ अच्छे लगे, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel.